Hi everyone, this is Ridha Khan and welcome to Ridha's Kitchen. We're on Asian cooking powered by TV99 and Zaiqa World. And today we're going to make, I've got a chef and I've got a hold of him and I'm going to make a simple chicken fry. Now chicken is like the most universal dish that most people eat, obviously if you're not vegetarian, and you can eat chicken, and a lot of people want to know different ways to make chicken, and it's one of those dishes that you can make in so many different ways. You can add it to so many different things. So I said, why not choose today's dish and make it simple for everyone to be able to fry a chicken and make it. And this is for all the students out there, for all the people who are living by themselves and want to cook for their partners or families or friends, and just learn how to make different variations of chicken. If you're allergic to any of the ingredients, please do talk to your GP beforehand, before you start making this dish. And I'm going to go through, as usual, the ingredients. I'm going to learn with you, so we're going to get a pen and paper, go through the ingredients, go through the method, and it's going to be great, and we're going to learn by the end of it how to make a simple chicken fry. So let's start. Right, so we have chicken, which is 1/4 kilogram of chicken. Chicken is a great source of protein. A lot of people are doing this low carb, high protein diet, so a lot of people would like to use more chicken and without eating many carbs or anything. So this is also a good replacement for that. And we have coriander powder, 1 tablespoon, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon, salt to taste, oil, 2 tablespoons, garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon, curry leaves, 2 bunches. Now we have yogurt. Yogurt is very good for us. A natural yogurt. Make sure you're having natural yogurt, fat-free, low-fat yogurt. Very, very great for us. So make sure you're having natural yogurt, and we're going to put this yogurt in our recipe, so it's making it even better, which is 2 tablespoons. And like I told you, the secret ingredient that is usually in most people's fridge or cupboard, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. In the bowl, we're going to add our chicken, add our ginger garlic, add the coriander powder, add the chili powder and the turmeric powder, add the garam masala powder. So we're adding all these powders, and now we add our natural yogurt. And with the natural yogurt, we're mixing well with our hands. Because we're using our hands in this recipe, it's very important that you keep your hands clean. And for any recipe that you make, even if you weren't using your hands, make sure they're clean, make sure they're washed and you clean them with soap and everything, and you have the surfaces are clean and your hair is tied up. Now we marinate this, so you need to spare half an hour on hand. We marinate it for 30 minutes, then we heat the pan, and then we add oil and add the marinated chicken and fry it. Then we fry this for over 20 minutes. And then we add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. We fry for 2 minutes. We add curry leaves, and then we fry for another 2 minutes. Then we add coriander leaves, and after 5 minutes we will squeeze a 1/4 of lemon, and it is ready to serve. So like you know, this very simple chicken fry is very, very simple and very easy to make, and we're always looking for different ways of making our chicken. To make our chicken, you don't have to even serve it with carbs. If you're on a low carb diet, you don't like to eat carbs, a lot of people have problems with gluten as well, or you can just eat this on its own. You can add chips to it if you eat chips, or do anything you like, or have it with salad to make it an even more tasty meal. It's a very good meal, it's a very easy meal, and it's a meal that we can easily, all of us can have, and we can easily eat and really enjoy it. And what we'll do is that we will go through the ingredients of this chicken fry, and I want you to make sure you get your pen and paper back out and make sure you've got everything, because it's very few steps to make this amazing, nice, simple chicken fry. I'm going to try it, and I'm sure you're going to try it for your friends and family, and make some more and just enjoy it for yourself. So we have chicken, 1/4 kilogram, coriander powder, 1 tablespoon, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon, salt to taste, and then we have oil, 2 tablespoons, garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon, curry leaves, 2 bunches, and then we have yogurt, 2 tablespoons, and we have ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon.